Once upon a time, there was a 10-year-old boy named Lucas. Curious by nature and passionate about science, Lucas loved asking questions to understand the world around him. One day, after hearing about vaccines at school, Lucas decided to ask some questions to his family doctor, Dr. Julian. During his annual checkup, after the usual exams, Lucas raised his hand and asked, "Dr. Julian, what exactly is a vaccine?" The doctor smiled, appreciating the young boy's interest, and replied, "Well, Lucas, a vaccine is a way to help your body prepare against certain diseases. Imagine your body is like a castle. Vaccines are like training for your soldiers, the white blood cells, so they can better defend against invaders, like viruses or bacteria." Lucas nodded, trying to imagine what that meant. Then he continued with another question. "But why do we need vaccines if our body can already defend itself?" Dr. Julian responded, "It's true that your body has a natural defense system. But some diseases are very strong, and without preparation, your body might not be able to defend itself in time. The vaccine gives your body a sort of instruction manual, so it knows exactly what to do immediately if it encounters the enemy. This way, you avoid getting seriously ill." Lucas thought for a moment, then asked, "And how many vaccines are there? Which ones are the most important?" Dr. Julian explained, "There are several vaccines, each designed to protect against a specific disease. For example, there's the vaccine against measles, which is very important because this disease can be very dangerous, especially for young children. There's also the vaccine against polio, a disease that can paralyze muscles. And the tetanus vaccine, which protects against a severe infection that attacks the nerves." Lucas, intrigued, asked another question, "But how exactly does a vaccine work?" Dr. Julian patiently responded, "Vaccines work by introducing a small, harmless part of the disease into your body. It's not enough to make you sick, but it's enough for your immune system to notice and learn how to fight it. So, if you encounter the real virus or bacteria later, your body will already know how to react." Lucas seemed increasingly fascinated. "Does everyone need to get vaccinated?" he asked. "Yes," said Dr. Julian. "It's very important that most people get vaccinated. When a lot of people are vaccinated, it helps protect those who can't get vaccinated, like babies or very sick people. This creates a kind of collective shield, which we call herd immunity." Lucas nodded, gradually understanding the importance of vaccines. "So, getting vaccinated is like protecting everyone, not just yourself?" "Exactly, Lucas," replied the doctor with a smile. "Getting vaccinated is a way to take care of yourself and others. It's an act of responsibility and solidarity." Satisfied with his answers, Lucas promised himself to talk to his friends about vaccines so they could also understand the importance of protecting themselves against diseases. And so, thanks to his questions, Lucas began to understand how a simple vaccine could save lives and protect an entire community.